In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a project in Basecamp. Let's dive in step by step so you can learn this process with ease and confidence. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Basecamp account. If you aren't already a regular user, make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you're logged in and on the home page, you'll see a list of all the projects you're currently involved in. This page acts as your central hub for managing everything, including tasks, communications, and, of course, your projects. As you scan through your list of projects, identify the specific project that you want to archive. If you have a lot of projects, remember that you can make use of the search function or simply scroll until you find the one you need. Next, focus your attention on the project card of your chosen project. In the upper right corner of that project card, there's a PAX menu, commonly referred to as the three dots menu. This menu is designed to hold additional options, allowing you to manage your project seamlessly without cluttering the main screen. When you click on this menu, a list of several actions will appear. Among these options, look for and select Archive this project. Archiving is a great way to tidy up your active projects, especially as tasks conclude, ensuring that only your ongoing priorities remain in clear view. Upon selecting this option, Basecamp will prompt you with a confirmation message. This step is crucial as it safeguards against accidental archiving, which could disrupt ongoing work. Take a moment to review this prompt and confirm your action. Once you affirm, Basecamp will immediately move the project from your current list of active projects to the Archived Projects section. It's important to know that archived projects are not deleted. Instead, they are neatly tucked away, allowing you room for clarity and focus on what requires immediate attention. This archival feature is particularly beneficial if you anticipate needing to revisit completed projects for reference or record-keeping later on. And there you have it, your project is now archived, and your active list is a little bit clearer. This intuitive feature of Basecamp not only helps you maintain organization, but also optimizes your workflow. Remember, you can always access your archived projects whenever necessary. Just head to the Archived Projects section, where all your archived work is safely stored and ready to be retrieved if needed. Thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing this process with any projects you finish, and you'll become a pro at managing your Basecamp flow. Until next time, take care and happy organizing.